of your chart where it says guardian angels in the lower left hand corner. This is who your guardian angels are. And they're lines that will come up and touch on that lifeline from the bottom. So on your left hand only, you'll have a line that comes up and touches at a certain age. There's a good timeline on that lifeline. About every eighth of an inch is about a year. About every a half an inch is about 7 years. And that starts about age 10 between the Jupiter and the thumb. So I just take my cursor and count it down. Your line will come up and touch at the bottom of that lifeline. Now, on the guardian angels, this is who your guardian angel is. It'll touch at the age you were when someone that you were bonded to has passed away. So, a loved one probably, like grandparents, parents, siblings, aunties, uncles, cousins, old boyfriends, old girlfriends. And I just go along and count that with my cursor. But usually the line will touch and then it'll make a little tiny line that goes across the two lines. And that's who your guardian angel is. So that's the age you were when they died. So you have to do a little math there. So here's your guardian angels at age 11 and a half, 20, 24, 27, and 28. Now this is down in that lower left-hand corner of your chart. That's who your guardian angels are. And then if you've ever had a visit from a guardian angel, and it shows on your right hand only, the line comes up and touches at the base of that lifeline, but it doesn't make a little line that goes across. Here's where you had visits from guardian angels. Sometimes if you've been really sick, or if you've had an accident, or if you're in distress, or if you had somebody that's passed away, very often their spirit will go around after it leaves the body and check on all their loved ones before it goes off into the light. So that'll show us a little visit from a guardian angel. So sometimes you'll have the same age on there. Oh, I see you've got a couple on there that's the same. And it'll touch on that lifeline. Now this is your right hand only. You've got one in there that's before 10. So it goes over and goes clear off the side between the thumb and the Jupiter finger. And then one 11 and a half. Now see, that's one where you had someone that passed away that's made a visit to you. 12, 15, 19, and 24. Again, one at 24. So, like I say, you'll have to do a little math to figure out who your guardian angels are.